What do we know about the world's most popular corporations? Quality, fame and accessibility, and their main symbol is the logo. Don't you think their logos are outdated? I don't either. But today we are going to change the logos of famous companies with the help of a neural network. A lot of people like to take an evening stroll down the street, grab a coffee and just relax, but not today. The first logo that has been redesigned is Starbucks. At first glance it looks exactly like the original, but if you look closely you can see the funny facial features on the logo. I would try a coffee with such a new brand. Pepsi. What do we know about this company? Very tasty drinks, affordable prices, and what's the most important thing? Competing with Coca-Cola? Of course not. The most important thing is that we already changed the logo of the company. And you know, it looks very good. LOGOS. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear that word? T-shirts, polos and perfume, of course. But not this time. Right now a very fierce crocodile is watching us. Just look at his eyes, if you find them. It feels so much like he just didn't get enough sleep. In childhood, everybody wanted to have the most powerful computer and play the best games. And of course, Intel can help us with that. Actually, no time for writing. Okay, I'm talking a little bit. Why is there an Intel processor instead of an Intel logo? Maybe the neural network wanted to show the company's strongest side and put that on the logo? This is the only logo that hasn't changed much. Firefox. Okay, 1 second. Hold on. Oh no, that's a water fox! Doll-E, how do you explain the fact that you just put water in the logo? Maybe this will be the new browser of 2023. Philip Morris, I tell you right off the bat, smoking is very bad. You have no idea how bad it is. It donuts better. So where's the company logo? All I see here is a grey factories. Maybe the neural network thinks smoking is bad too. Wait, what is that in the very last picture? It looks more like Philip Plain. No, it's not abstract art by famous artists. It looks very true though. It's a regular nasty logo. True, the birds have flown south, long overdue. For a second, this is what a real logo looks like. AI, what have you done to it? Power, speed, comfort. Yeah, that's exactly how I'm describing the Bentley. But the neural network has its own plans for this logo. Abstract illustrations, blue and green colors. Is this what the company wanted when they came out with their logo? Doll-E, it's time for you to take a break. Absolutely everyone knows about Google. And if not, delete your Explorer finally. The Google logo was always memorable because of its colorful letters. The neural network decided to make it even more memorable. In other ways, I can explain why we see abstract colors instead of a logo. Microsoft, it's our everything, computers, phones, world. It would be very hard without such a company. The main colors of the company are red, green, blue and yellow. None of the 9 pictures have that combination of colors. Neuronet sticks to minimalism in logo design. 2 primary colors in abstract figures. We should suggest such logos to Bill Gates. Today we changed the logos of the 5 biggest companies in the world. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe and leave likes.